Hi dear students of standard 7th. As we have started operation on rational numbers in previous video and you have already learned carry out the following addition, how to add, then how to subtract rational numbers, how to multiply rational numbers, then multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of rational number, and then division of rational number. Now in this video we are going to learn numbers between rational numbers. You know numbers between two numbers. Suppose numbers between 2 and 9, you can tell easily 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like that. Suppose numbers integers between -4 and 5, then you will see on number line and can tell numbers between -4 and 5. This -4 and this 5. So these numbers are between -4 and 5. -3, -2, -1, 0 and like that. So if question is asked which rational numbers are there between 1/2 and 3/4, then how we can find out? Here one more question I have given. Rational numbers between 2/5 and 3/4. So how we will find out? For finding out rational numbers between two rational numbers, we have to make first denominators equal. See, denominator of this fraction is 5 and denominator of this fraction is 4. How we will make it equal? You know steps for making denominators equal. First we have to multiply by its denominator to this fraction and then by denominator of 5 to this fraction. So what will be there? 2 into 4/5 into 4, and this one another fraction 3 into this one 5/4 into 5. So what will be there? 4 2s are 8, 5 4s are 20, and here 3 5s are 15, 5 4s are 20. Now here we got these two fractions 8/20 and 15/20. Now that we can show on number line. See here, this is number line I have drawn. If I'll take here 0, then next fraction will be 1/20, then 2/20, like that 3/20, 4/20, and here 8/20. This is our first fraction that we got here. Now fractions between 8/20 to 15/20 we can find out. 9/20, 10/20, 11/20. Same way we can go. Here it will be 15/20. So middle these all fractions are between 8/20 and 15/20. And which are that fraction? 9/20, 10/20, 11/20, 12/20, 13/20, 14/20. These middle all fractions are between 8/20 and 15/20. Same way we can find out fractions between or rational numbers between given two rational numbers. So we can solve this practice set 23. What is given? Write three rational numbers that lie between two given numbers. Means here 2/7 and 6/7 is given. So you can tell rational numbers between 2/7 and 6/7. Easily you can tell. Yes, okay. It will be 3/7, 4/7 and 5/7. Why? Because denominators are already equal. If denominators are equal, easily we can tell rational numbers between given two rational numbers. Okay. So here it is first example from practice set 23. Denominators are equal. So rational numbers between 2/7 and 6/7 are 3/7, 5/7, 4/7 and 5/7. These three are there. Okay. Now here two fractions are 4/5 and 2/3. As you know how to make denominators equal. So we will make first denominators equal of these two fractions. So to this first fraction 4/5 we will multiply by its denominator, that is 3. So we will multiply it by 3 and here also multiply it by 3. Okay. So it will be 4 3s are 12 and 5 3s are 15. Now we will think about this next fraction, that is 2/3. So for making denominators equal we have to multiply by its denominator. So it is 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So 5 2s are 10 and 3 5s are 15. So here 10 upon 15 and 12 upon 15, like that two fractions we got. So we can tell one fraction between these two, 10 upon 15 and 12 upon 15, between them it will be 11 upon 15. Here 11 upon 15 will be there. But here we got only one fraction, that is 11 upon 15. If we want to find out more fractions between them, how we can find out? So equivalent fraction we can find out of that. Equivalent fraction of this fraction and equivalent fraction of this fraction. That you know, if we will multiply two numerator and denominator by same number, whatever fraction we will get, that will be equivalent fraction of the given fraction. So if I will find out equivalent fraction of this 12 upon 15, I can multiply it by 2, downside also by 2. So I got 12 2s are 24 and 15 2s are 30. So this is equivalent fraction of this given fraction. Okay, that you learn in 5th standard also and 6th also. Then if we will find out equivalent fraction of this 10 upon 15, it will be same number if I will multiply by 2 by 2. You can multiply by 3 also, you can multiply by 4 also, you can multiply by 5 also. But smallest number I have taken to get it simple. Okay, so 10 2s are 20 and 15 2s are 30. Now these two fractions we got, 24 upon 30 and 20 upon 30. Now we can tell more fractions between these two fractions. More fractions we can tell. So what are the fractions between 20 upon 30 and 24 upon 30? First will be 21 upon 30. Second 22 upon 30. Third 23 upon 30. And then 24 upon 30 it is there. And this is our answer. So here you can write answer. Negative 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5 are fractions, are rational numbers of third example. So here again we will make denominators equal. So what we will do, here first fraction is negative 2 upon 3. So how we will make denominators equal of first fraction and second fraction? We will see what is the denominator of second fraction. It is 5. So we can multiply by 5. So here I will multiply it by 5. Downside also I will multiply by 5. My fraction will be 5 2s are 10, 3 5s are 15, and sign is minus sign to this fraction. Same I will do about this 4 upon 5. Now what is the denominator of this first fraction? 3. So I will multiply it by 3, and downside also I will multiply by 3. 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. Now see, denominators are equal. Here also 15, here also 15. Now we can tell fractions between these two. Though here it is 10 upon 15 and negative 10 upon 15, and here 12 upon 15. But it is minus sign, means negative number, negative rational number, and this is positive rational number. So many fractions are there between these two. So we can tell any three from that. If we will bring any number line in front of your eyes, you can tell that suppose middle 0 will be there, this side negative number, this side positive number. So from this negative 10 upon 15 to this sides 15 upon 12 upon 15, middle so many numbers will be there, so many rational numbers will be there. That all rational numbers are between negative 10 upon 15 and positive 12 upon 15. So we can write any three. Suppose I will write negative 9 upon 15, then negative 8 upon 15. Otherwise before this what will be there? 8 upon 15, then 9 upon 15, 10 upon 15. All that rational numbers are between these two rational numbers. And this is our answer. The fourth one is 7 upon 9, negative 5 upon 9. So 7 upon 9 and negative 5 upon 9. Here denominators are already equal. Denominators are 9, 9 both were. So simply number line you will bring in front of your eyes. This side all negative numbers will be there, and this side all positive numbers will be there. So from this negative 5 to this 7 upon 9, all middle rational numbers will be there between these two rational numbers. Okay, so any three you can write from that. Like this, if number line you will see from negative 5 to 7. Here 6 is there, negative 7. All these integers are there between this negative 5 and positive 7. So simply you can write that numbers in rational number form. So rational numbers between negative 5 upon 9 to 7 upon 9 are, so you can take 3 or more than 3. Answer, you can take negative 4 upon 9, negative 2 upon 9, or otherwise you can take 3 upon 9, 4 upon 9 and so on. And this is our answer. Now this one we have completed. Now we will see this example, that is negative 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 4. So without solving also you can tell now. You can write in notebook while writing, but without solving you can tell. Before negative 3, right side negative 2 upon 4 will be there. Then negative 1 upon 4. Like that you can tell any 3 from this one and this one. Because denominators are already equal. Here it is also 4, here also 4. So you can take 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4, same way. Same way, only these examples we have, this 6th example we have to make denominators equal. Here also denominators are already equal. So easily we can tell rational numbers between 5 upon 7 and 11 upon 7. 5 upon 7, after that it will be 6 upon 7, then 7 upon 7, 8 upon 7, 9 upon 7, 10 upon 7. That rational numbers you can tell between these two. Here also in last example 0 and negative 3 upon 4. So from 0 will be right side and negative numbers will be left side. So this side you can, if we will go, it will be negative 2 upon 4, negative 1 upon 4. So that you can tell rational numbers between 0 and negative 3 upon 4. Only this example you will make denominators equal as I told by previous method, and then you will tell rational numbers between these two numbers also. Yeah, really it's very simple. Only you should know how to make denominators equal. If you learn how to make denominators equal, then you can tell rational numbers between given two rational numbers. Okay, good. You can solve this, practice it in your notebook. Bye bye, have a nice day.